How to fix Instagram saved audio not showing. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you 3 ways to fix this problem. The first way, open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode. Go back, open the apps manager, open the apps, and then you have to wait a few seconds and scroll until you find the Instagram app, or you can just search for it right here. Now here click on force stop. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go to the Play Store and search for Instagram and then click update. And the third way and the last one is go to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi and then disable it and enable it again. And last thing you want to do is restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.